Hello guys, how are you? In this video I will tell you how to remove FRP. First of all, you have to connect your mobile Wi-Fi hotspot and connect it. Wait, here is loading now. Just a setting. You can see here verify your account, but you don't have remember account. So now we have to do. So open this mobile body, go back, open back side. So after that you have to input your sim, any insert any sim, and then go back, and now you have to go in emergency call. It worked, sim is worked. So click emergency information and click on pencil. Then guys, add contact number, any, click on any contact and click on contact icon profile, you can see here, and click on three dot share. Here you can see Gmail and message. Hold on message, app info. After you have to click, scroll down and SMS app. After that you have to open links, scroll down, click on YouTube, and then click on YouTube icon. After app notification, scroll down, additional settings. You can see here YouTube about settings, and then scroll down about. Here you have to click YouTube trim app service, accept and continue. Next, no thanks. Your mobile Chrome browser is open now. You can see here. Now you have to search frpfile.com. Slash bypass. Now you have to go search it and then wait. It worked, open and scroll down. So now you have to click Google Account Manager, download it, continue, hello, okay, open it, bypass FRP 1.0 APK, okay. Now click on to dot, download and install Google Account Manager settings. Allow from this secures, install it and then wait it. Click done. After that you have to click on bypass FRP, install it, open, click on three dot, browse, sign in, okay, and input your Gmail, any, if you have created already, and input your password, sign in. Now friends, you have to restart your mobile. Hold power button and restart it. Do it. Now friend, start it. Just a second, wait. Your Wi-Fi is connected. Checking for update, okay. Set up as new, just a second. Account added and next it. Getting account info, do it. Your mobile FRP is removed now. you can see here. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, click on bell icon, notch now, escape anyway, more, finish.